don't know who motherfucking representing it here tonight.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with Miss Tamika type video today. In this video I did clean my living room, some of my dining room, and I did do the dishes. So anyone want to know, I do have a dishwasher, but I do like to wash my dishes by hand, so that's why you don't see me using the dishwasher video, because I do see a lot of clean with me videos using dishwashers. For me, I'm old school. I like to wash my dishes by hand. Also, I shared a really quick clip of me cooking something in my crock pot. This is my Sunday morning. Today is July the 1st. My music playing in the background. No, I'm not dressed, so yeah, that's why I wanted to, you know, share this really quick clean with Miss Tamika video. I hope you like these types of videos. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, you guys, if you want to see the clean with Miss Tamika, then keep on watching. share really quick what I was cooking that day. I decided to make some beef short ribs. So here in my crock pot, I did add water so it wouldn't stick, and I did put some barbecue sauce on the ribs. And then on the side, we ended up having macaroni and cheese and string beans. So yeah, when I'm cleaning on Sunday, I like to have my dinner cooking as well. So once I'm finished cleaning, you know, I can sit down and have dinner. So again, I hope you are enjoying.
Was